US Vice President J.D. Vance is on a 4-day visit to the country. He will hold bilateral talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The US Vice President, his wife Usha, and their 3 children will be here at 10 this morning and will be welcomed on their arrival by a senior union minister. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be hosting a dinner for the US Vice President and Indian origin Second Lady Usha on Monday evening after holding talks with the American leader that are set to focus on trade, tariff and several key issues. Also, after arriving in Delhi, Vance and his family are scheduled to visit the Swaminarayan Akshardham temple right very close to where we are at this point in time. They could also go to a shopping complex selling traditional Indian handicraft goods. Then, on the 22nd and 23rd of April, which is tomorrow and day after, the Vance family is scheduled to visit heritage sites in Jaipur and Agra as well.
US Vice President J.D. Vance and Second Lady Usha Vance will be visiting Swaminarayan Mandir here in the national capital, and keeping the visit in the mind, the security situation has been tightened here. Behind me in the visuals, you can see how barricading has been done, and as well as paramilitary forces and Delhi police personnel have been deployed here, and this will be J.D. Vance's first India visit, and it will be seen that after landing at Palam Airport, J.D. Vance is expected to visit here Swaminarayan Temple, and after that in the evening a meeting with Prime Minister Modi is scheduled where they will be discussing bilateral trades and other international issues. But this visit will be an opportunity for Vance family to explore India's temple, stunning architecture, as well as India's cultural heritage. With cameraman Manish Bedudi, Anmol Bali, Delhi.
We expect her to come to this village to see her ancestors' temple and other lands. We eagerly wait for her arrival. It is better if she will come. We all residents of Vadluru eagerly waiting to greet her and on this occasion.
देखिए, उनका जो ये टूर है वो सिर्फ घूमने की दृष्टि से नहीं आ रहे, उसमें टैरिफ और कई चीज़ें डिस्कस होनी है, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे लिए आने वाले समय में भारत के लिए अमेरिका से व्यापार दिनों दिन बढ़ेगा ही, और वो इसके प्रति सकारात्मक रुख अपनाएंगे।